Have you ever seen a dog that looks like a bear? Breeds like the Chow Chow and the Akita have that fluffy, rounded appearance that makes them irresistibly cuddly. Their thick fur not only keeps them warm, but also gives them that plush teddy bear vibe. Plus, their gentle, loyal nature adds to their charm. These dogs are often calm and affectionate, making them perfect companions. It's fascinating how their bear-like features evolved for protection and survival. Yet today, they bring joy and comfort to our lives. Who wouldn't want a bear-like buddy to snuggle with?